The package length is 8.5 inches. The package height is 2 inches. The package width is 3.9 inches. Package weight 0.25 pounds. Husky Towing Products offers innovative designs, high quality, custom installation and safe, easy operation. Husky is source for a complete line of hitches, electrical products and towing accessories. Protects your trailer connector from dirt, dust, the weather and UV damage. Durable polypropylene construction can be mounted on a flat surface. Limited 1-year warranty. Compatibility 2-inch to 2-1/4 inch jacks with round tubes and 7 or 9 pins. Color black. Top reviews from the United States. Does what it's supposed to. Not sure what all the 1-star raters are talking about. Read the instructions. I had no problem mounting it tight on my jack post. Did use a pair of pliers to pull the straps tight before tightening the screws, but it was really a no-brainer. Just look at how it's supposed to work and it's a piece of cake. Not only protects the 7-prong plug, but was also able to tuck both of my camera connectors in as well. 1 each side behind the 7-way. Keeps the rain out, not tight enough to cause condensation, and keeps the plugs out of the dirt. Does exactly what I expected it to do.